Me mama kwaba everybody the Cover Girl TV channel. And once again, I'm Miss Cover Girl. So Obi Baby Sase Cover Girl today. What's up? What's the topic for today? So the topic for today, and they say, after say why was spiritual journey, why after say why we dry, why eliminate our environment, beam and our bay. Okay, the obey is here and say, yesem etisen. O Bible may mount tax. O Bible read from Genesis to Revelation. That's tax I'm a day mount. And we are deal with for 7 days. From Genesis, maybe I will be read 7 days. Maybe it's fine by me. O per se, o grow in spirit. You want to lift your soul. And to see as process now you're going to lift your soul. So my dear, the spiritual journey, you know, away at the third part of it. It's a honey you drew horn on ya some no honey you drew horn no. You be kwabo for some what I say to see any yamisem. Me more 7 days. Obey fruit fasting. 7 days fruit fasting. Fruit fasting for 7 days. 7 days so solid. Fruits in kwa enyabo 6 and no break. What about to me? Enyabo 12 and no break and 3 no break. You're fine. While you're fruit fasting, whilst doing your fruit fasting, you talk less, you read more of the Bible. My dear, after 7 days, come and tell me. Come to the comment section. Leave your comment. Leave your comment, leave your comments. And tell me the result, how it went, how the process was. My dear, you will never regret it. See, nobody will tell you this. I tell you. In order for you to grow, in order for you, your spiritual journey to get high, in order to lift yourself, in order to get to that higher energy, I urge you to do this. Don't lose God. Do it for me. And let's see, 7 days straight up, 7 days, fruit fasting for 7 days. My dear, come and give me your testimony. That night paralysis, that bad dream, it will stop. Don't worry, I'll find time and come here, find time, post a video and explain all about dreams. Like I'll give you details of bad dreams, negative dreams. So do not worry yourself. If today is your first time, what I will urge you to do is to subscribe to my channel. Is to like the program. Let the program correspond. Let the views correspond to the likes. Let the comment correspond to the views. Let the subscription correspond. I'm Miss Cover Girl. When you see me on the media, that one, it is what it is. I have to eat, okay? But this is what I'm assigned to do. This is what I am assigned to do. So do not be confused. I have something, pa. I have something. And that your problem. Come and tell me. If you do all the direction and it doesn't work for you, come and let me give you the result to your problem. Let me give you answers to your question. It will be a chance. And be mu yankwasiafo. Nkofo ejimi. And more be a chance. Messy process way faso. O faso biya, dear how you come and tell me. That was a mebana me ministry, and that down me will be ne boo na me de mancro. Me will be pa. Me will be mane broso. Me will be mane shishi. Me will be a anodin. Me will be pa. Come through. Took as a church or Sanya money in age, look as a ministry. You will be, oh, sister. You will be. I have something. I have something. Don't let anybody deceive you. I have it. Hey, I have it too. I have it. My dear. So this is it. So I'm doing all this video for you. So please see it's a dear woman here. Our any problem no. Oh yes, our fasting way. Now we read you Bible no. And no na sa uba na we do how babe too many ma. And no na ye juma na e quick ma. Cause already now you are spiritually endowed, you are spiritually inclined. e ka no kra kyerɛw aware na afi na wakom no fa emba go tusu fa code tusu obi entimi nwrem e ka no kra kyerɛw fa code tusu obi entimi mbon wurem nesa wo bebo won san sister baby ye free ba no nyemamu odin ye brehe mi ti amekacho mi su papa mi ti amekacho se mi nsu sister forget it mi su but ni nemu no nyame adome mi jami ho aduro mi jami ho nyama cause ebusuafo nye jimi o ma jimi me nada o ma jimi enti se o frame na yo say bia na me de me frame me sa me fari se me su sister o frame na betimi esu asu ba nja emegina fo no so nche so ka wasem tie what emegina so nche you find a solution to your problem. You make what you find a solution to your problem asa you find a solution. Hwe ebu na me de man krofo bi o nti na me bre me ho ase me ye me nipa na me de bu obi man krof ba me ye den agodu ti fa show team okay fa show team here the realm for fa show team say hu say e kire wo me bo me life imagine na on kaza uzika na hwe me o ka no kora kire wo ba me officer embeja me office na ndwetwetwa wani na nkasa uzika na esisi ho na me fa ho nchow na me ka no kora ni sisi a wo ba me office na wo ba for consultation na wo ba be hwehwe wo niam mu a sister me weeks ago what chow dada e bo me life dada and sana wo be mti fa tu mu pa and just by the way it was for once again ti ejuma ni de den a abrowe yi puma kwen mu me new choice I have to do it me new choice I have to do it. And again, you're welcome to the Ram Show. I am Miss Covergirl and you're on Covergirl TV. Kindly subscribe to the channel and I'll make sure that I bring more videos. So if you enjoyed it, kindly leave your comments at the comment section and I will, gladly read it for you. See you.